Y'all, I've already moved half of my wardrobe into my office closet and the sitting room closet. And then to really reconnect with family some of the family members I've never even met. So it was fabulous to see them. Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. I cannot believe it's Thursday already. It's July 17th. Y'all, it's been a while. I know. I just posted my video of my first twist out on my fourth big chop, and that'll go live tomorrow, the 18th of July. But I have been so busy, y'all. Y'all probably heard me talking about it from all the previous videos, but as you can see, my hair is back in braids. It has been for at least 3 weeks now. I have not picked up the camera, y'all, and I apologize. Let me sit you down so we can talk. All right, guys, it's hopefully the lighting's okay, but y'all, I have been out of town. We have been some busy beavers lately. I think my hair is okay, but anyway, I don't even have anything on. I just have my band on. As y'all can tell, you may not, I am so sun-kissed. We went to Chicago for our anniversary and it was amazing. We've been to Chicago so many times and love Chicago, but this time we just did different things. We went to different areas of Chicago, so it was absolutely magnificent. We went on a boat ride on Lake Michigan and the river. It was nice, but hence this is my tan. On that water, it was like 82 degrees on that day. On a Saturday, it was beautiful weather, but that sun was beaming. And you know how it does when it beams off that water. It's just so much hotter. And I could just tell my skin was just really getting sun-kissed out there, which that's okay. I have tan lines. I need to even those out. But anyway, y'all, it was fabulous. Smooth sailing into Chicago. The flight was great. Everything was on time. It was very hot. We were hoping for like 70 something degrees, but it was definitely like in the 90s. And we were lucky on that Saturday to hit 82. But it was fabulous. And then after that following week, we had my family reunion. Y'all, that was this past weekend, July 11th through the 13th. It was amazing. I'll try to insert some pictures, but that's why I got my hair rebraided. So I didn't want to have to deal with hair, honey. Definitely not on vacation and definitely not at a family reunion, which was here. We didn't have to travel, which is great, but we are so looking forward to the next family reunion in 2 years. They say it's going to be on a beach. It's TBD for the location, but we're thinking it's either going to be Virginia Beach or Myrtle Beach. Something tells me that it's going to be on the East Coast. So we're looking forward to that in 2027. But y'all, life has been lifing. I have been busy with work and then the travel and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed my last video with my twist out. This was my fourth big chop and I can't wait for these to come down. I got these installed, goodness, what day? Our anniversary, we left on the Friday 27th. I got these done on June 25th. So probably not even a month in. So I'm going to keep these because I don't want to waste money. But I'm looking forward to sharing more of my styles. I said I wanted to keep my hair healthy and no color, but I'm thinking about going to get it professionally colored, my natural hair, because I want to kind of rock a sassy, short TWA. But I want like a blonde, some kind of highlights that really just, give you that as I'm tired of my dark hair. I need something with my short hair, but I like it either way, but you know what I'm saying. But anyway, y'all, it has to be about 11 o'clock. I have a meeting at 11:30 a.m. this morning. I cannot wait till the weekend. We are just so blessed to have had wonderful vacation and then to really reconnect with family some of the family members I've never even met. So it was fabulous to see them. It was really good to see them. And now that we're connected, these are cousins, y'all, that live really in the same state, maybe 2 to 3 hours away. But these are people on my mom's side, my mom's paternal side, that I have never met in all my life. And I am 50. I'll be 51. I cannot believe I'll be 51 this year. But anyway, I digress. But it was so amazing just spending time with family, getting to know each other. We had a blast. So I am really, really blessed to have been able to meet new family members. It's nothing like knowing family and where you come from. You know what I'm saying? For those that are still with us and those that are gone. So it was awesome. But y'all, I'll get into that after my meeting call. But y'all, let me show you. I need to get organized, honey, because we're running out of closet space here. Let me show you. I got these two huge bins. Well, my husband and I went to Walmart, and these things are humongous. There's a 50-gallon. But we don't have a lot of closet space. I mean, we do have enough, but y'all, I just have a lot of clothes. Let's just be real. I have a lot of clothes. Let's be for real, okay? And I have put my husband out, as y'all probably saw in another video. So his clothes are in another closet. But it would be nice if he didn't have to go across our house to go to his closet in the morning, because he actually leaves for work. I don't. So I thought that we would get these two huge bins, and like, I'm late doing this, but for like the winter months, I'm going to pack, you know, all of my winter, those big bulky sweaters. I need to transfer all of my long sleeve winter months, because it's July now, and we're going to take it right back out. But we have long summers here in the South, okay? So we're going to do that, both of us. So we got two of those gallon tubs, and we're going to put my winter, like corduroy pants, sweaters, all that stuff in the bins until that season comes back around. So that will save a lot of space, because I have a lot of clothes that I need to really declutter, and I will take you along for that, because I need to get rid of some stuff, y'all. There's some stuff in there that's really a lot bigger that I no longer wear, and I don't plan on getting back into. I need to get rid of that stuff. So that's, I'm gonna kind of do that in one setting, you know, just go through, say, hey, Tria, you're gonna keep this or not? If it's winter and I'm not gonna keep it, I'm taking it to Goodwill or Salvation Army or our church. But anything else, I'm packing away. So that will give us a lot more space in the closet, and my husband can maybe come back in. But anyway, y'all, I will go through that with you a little more, but let me get to this call, y'all. I am rambling. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I am off of my call and I am back. Okay, so we were talking about these tubs, right? Well, honey, you should see my sweaters, all right? It's time for us to get this organized. So I am gonna start with my closet. Y'all, I've already moved half my wardrobe into my office closet and the sitting room closet. And I need to get this stuff packed up. So this weekend is going to be designated to that. I think I'll do that Saturday before we go out to dinner with my brother and sister-in-law. So we're going to Eddie V's this weekend. But y'all, I just wanted to catch you up. So the next video, I believe, will be the packing video. Not packing, but you know, organization. Pulling out my winter stuff from the closets and placing them in this bin. So I'm hoping to definitely declutter and pack and organize on the same day. So stay tuned for that. So I hope you're having a great day. I need to run to Walmart, y'all. I need some more workout tops. I'm trying to do better and actually show my skin. I am so funny about my arms, but I said I'm going to do a better job. And my husband said, look, show your arms more. They're so much better than what they used to be, but I just still hate my arms. So I have to do more work with that. But I am getting away from hiding my arms under t-shirts and oversized sweatshirts and actually wear the shirt so I can kind of see improvement, you know, and quit being so ashamed of my body. I don't want to do that. I don't want to feel that way. But with all that said, I'm going to run to Walmart soon, grab some of those shirts, and I have gym class tonight at 5:30, so we're gonna get it. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.